Hello, I am Abdul. I am Managing Director for EYTE Technologies. We are involved right from inception stage of the project. We get to know the various rooms that we design, training room, boardrooms, meeting room. Collaboration tools were there earlier also in the market. Client is looking for experiences now. So market is becoming experience driven. Echo cancellation, noise cancellation, all these features were there and were spoken about, but people were not worried about this. Now client want these kind of experiences. In one of my recent projects, I have designed medium to small 80 to 85 rooms, wherein we have suggested them Jabra PanaCast 50. The reason behind this is the salient feature that Jabra PanaCast 50 has. Along with that, the very crisp and clear audio, and also the whiteboard capturing feature of the Jabra. The installation, it is very simple. It is just plug and play device and very simple to use. It is compatible and very easily it works on Google, Microsoft Teams or Zoom. Jabra Plus is very powerful software management tool. Centralized location, we can upgrade the firmware software of the device. We can monitor the health of the device and also get the analytics and usage of the device. This gives very strong tool for a designer to design next meeting rooms also. When we are designing any project, offices, the number of meeting rooms are more, and small and medium especially. And the location of video conferencing is something which is very adjacent to the table or next to the wall. The special requirement is the 180-degree field of view. This is what we are getting from the Jabra PanaCast, along with the Jabra Plus features for a large deployment where we have to monitor all the devices at one place. It gives a lot of convenience for us to design. When we are designing the project, what we need basically is the support from the OEMs in terms of design specification. Many clients need POCs nowadays, without which they don't go for a VC. So that is the support that we always wanted from Jabra, and that is what we always get from them. And in terms of technical support, training, these are regular feature from the OEM.